Hello, I'm Rick Harrison, President of Rick Harrison Site Design and Neighborhood Innovations. On February 21st in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and on February 23rd in the San Antonio-Austin area, we're going to be holding educational workshops specific for land developers, builders, and city leaders. Sponsored by Building-Savvy magazine. 36 years ago, we started our studio specifically as a research and development arm to discover new ways to develop land. Since then, we've designed over 1,700 developments in 48 states and 18 countries, with Texas being our largest market. These revolutionary new developments redefine how land is developed and also today how homes can be built. With an average demonstrated 25% reduction in infrastructure while adhering to the existing regulatory minimums without losing density, you'll discover entirely new ways to develop land that are absolutely market proven. In addition, my good friend Skip Preble of Land Analytics and also developer of Frieden in Fredericksburg, Texas's only Southern living community, will teach financial aspects of land development that you probably haven't even thought of. In 2024, why are we still developing as if 1964? If anything, the patterns have gotten worse, not better. You'll discover new ways to provide better vehicular and pedestrian connectivity that is much safer, also that reduces a significant amount of time and energy. All of this makes your developments and your homes more valuable and the city stronger. You'll also discover new zoning patterns and land use transitions that enhance the value of your developments as well as increase premium locations. Not only that, we're going to teach you new ways to present so that you could win approvals even faster. Why would you submit in 2024 a plan that looks like it was drawn in 1950? Interactive 3D and virtual reality isn't the future, it's today. And within a few minutes, we're going to show you how you can master that if you bring your own laptop fully charged. All of this makes developers and builders far more competitive than ever in the past. You'll not want to miss these workshops because you certainly don't want to compete against the builders and developers that did attend this workshop. The seating is going to be limited, so I would recommend that you register as soon as possible. I hope to see you there.